Hi, welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today on Cheap Watch Choices, we have this Rorios watch. According to the description on Amazon, it is a Rorios men's analog quartz watch with stainless steel mesh strap, creative, cool, waterproof. Yep, you always know when a watch has got a name like that, it's top class. And it turns out that it's got a manual, right? From Rorios, who's been around since 1986. Ooh, this is actually not a bad box, but the funny thing is, this watch is a bin bond, and it's actually not made by Rorios. But then again, this is a watch that you can pick up on Alibaba. So a lot of companies repackage it and call it their own. I do like that they give you a pin tool in there. But essentially, Rorios may have their own pieces, but this is not really one of them. Let's take a closer look at this really interesting watch. Like I said, you could buy it under its own name, also Bin Bond, online. They do have a web presence, the company, and you could buy this watch from them directly. It's available in a lot of different colors. What I like about it is there are a lot of watches on the market right now that are offering analog numerical displays. And it's analog in that there is a little rotating disc in here. It's not that the display is being refreshed electronically or anything along those lines. I like the touch that they put the little rainbow in the middle to contrast with vertical stripes, so you can see it instead of having a running second hand. It just gives you this constant display so that you know it is in operation. It is a quartz watch, so it's not going to give you a big mechanical feel. But for a style that is becoming popular now, analog, digital, as in numerical displays, analog numerical displays, some are actually quite complex and some are quite expensive mechanically, but a watch like this is an inexpensive way to enjoy this kind of styling and reasonable watch operation in a reasonably inexpensive watch. We're talking about a $50 watch here. The description is also hilarious. I always think the descriptions on these are interesting. And this one says, unique design. This men's watch features a special design. It is very cool for men. Fashionable sports car mirror shape. Special hands and a rainbow knob to catch everyone's attention. I guess they're calling that a knob. I wonder where they're... Never mind. All of these features make wearing it a feel-good experience. Waterproof at 30 meters, you can use it without worrying about water drops when washing your face or if it rains a little. I like how they point out that, 3 atmosphere is not really very waterproof. So they say if it rains a little. And it also says how great that the beautiful steel mesh band, and it does have a nice black Milanese, is suitable for everyday use. Fold over clasp and safety mechanism. But I like the way they describe it at the end. This stylish men's watch goes with almost any outfit. See, it says Bin Bond on the rear there. Goes with almost any outfit, can be used for everyday leisure and business occasions. Suitable for businessmen, boys, students, etc. Whether you wear it for work or leisure, it is a good choice that will make you the shining star no matter what the occasion. A successful man deserves a fascinating watch like this. You can't argue him for the salesmanship. Let's throw it on the wrist real quick and take a look at what it looks like on the wrist. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing my IWC limited edition Saint-Exupéry GMT watch. Talk about a leap in value between these two pieces. But here, let's just put it on. I'm not going to bother to unwrap the strap from the plastic. It's pretty much the same impact. But on the wrist, it does not look bad. It's a good looking watch in that sense if you want something that's modernistic and does reflect a design trend now towards these analog numeric pieces. And it's an inexpensive way to do it. So, thanks for watching. If you liked the content, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. And that brings us to the end of one of my more whimsical series, these cheap watch choices. But I thought, let's look at these things and treat them seriously, or at least reasonably seriously. Have a great day.